Hey, what's going on, guys? Derek Zan here with Valley Food Review and Your Life VR. And I wasn't planning on shooting this video because Thanksgiving is tomorrow and everybody is busy getting ready. There's cooking going on in the kitchen. But I just bought something that I really had to share with you guys. I mean, I started opening this, I peeked into the box and it was just so pretty. I decided I had to share it with you guys. So today we're talking about the Turtle Beach Elite Atlas Pro Performing Gaming Headset. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Pro Performance Gaming Headset. Wired headset. I wanted a wired headset. I don't like wireless headsets. Something about connecting it here and not having to recharge the thing all the time is my biggest thing. It just seems like extra steps, you know. So, as I say, without further ado, let's get into unboxing this thing. Before we do, there's the back. So you can see, pause this frame if you want to see more. And here we go. Okay, I've tried my best to get a good angle for you guys here. Forgive the shadow. This is just a quick video. So we're going to slide the cover off. There's that beautiful Turtle Beach logo. And let's open that up. Elite. So this was the first thing I saw when I opened it up. And I thought it was rather nice of them to send this. It says, Elite Atlas, this is Turtle Beach. The pursuit of perfection drives us here. Here, innovation is relentless, and cutting edge is never enough. Our quest for competitive advantages become the features you can't play without. Perfectly balanced, this is next generation audio wrapped in unprecedented comfort. The result of 40 years of audio advancements, Elite establishes a new standard, echoes of our heritage infused with radical innovations, ready to redefine your gaming audio. This headset was built for those who despise mediocrity. Together we are elite. So that's a pretty cool thing to see when you open up a headset. And removing this, there it is, nicely packaged, neat. It had these little plastic things on here that I pulled off when I popped this open. And let's take a look at that. There you go. So that's them. You can see the ports on the bottom. Like I said, I'm not going to go in depth on this thing. I mean, if you want to know more about it, you can look it up. This is just a quick unboxing. Trying to figure out how this works. I don't want to force anything. What I do know is that these are removable and you can change them out with other custom plates. And that's one of the things I really like about this is it's highly customizable. It just magnetically sticks on there. It's got a nice metal top frame, feels very solid, very well built. And I personally don't like it when headphones do this, but they do that in case you need it to, for carrying around your neck or what have you. It has leather on the outside, and it's got some kind of a fabric on the inside. And normally I don't like fabric on the inside, but this one is like a moisture wicking kind of, so it's a little bit different. It works well with this. Good amount of memory foam in there, good cushion. And I have tried these on, and I love the way they fit over my ears. So super comfortable fit and really good looking headset. But enough of that for now. If we remove this foam piece here, you're gonna see some more good stuff. Here we have the Turtle Beach Elite Atlas literature, and it's got its own protective cover here. You know what, let's go ahead and pop that open. See what this is all about. You know what, I'm not gonna pull that out in case there's warranty cards or information on there. Let me double check that. TurtleBeach.com. Oh, okay, it's just the warranty information card. Didn't release anything. And your Turtle Beach Quick Start Guide. Or your Guide de Miles Rapide. Nailed it. Okay. None of you. And here are the accessories. Again, nicely packaged. Very elegant container. this out. See what we're working with. Okay, we've got our detachable mic.
That's not supported on this device.
Multiple connection cables. Got Alexa acting up in the background over there. And there's your, looks like your stereo cable with your inline controller. Let's double check on that. Connect this end to headset. Okay, looks like volume and mute at a glance. I'm not sure what else this is supposed to do, but we're going to research that as soon as we get it up and running. So we've got our adapters here. We've got our stereo connector, and we've got our detachable mic, which is pretty cool. Let's get into that. Now, I was really torn between this one and the Cloud X. What was it? I want to say it was Alpha. You know, I don't even remember anymore. They were so similar, but this one was customizable. It was newer, and it's got a lower bass frequency, a bass range on it, which is a wonderful thing. Whoops, don't want to put it in the wrong hole. Put it in. Nice and flexible. A very elegantly designed headset, if you ask me. I like what they did with this. I like the simplicity of it. And you know, if I had gone outside wearing that Cloud X with the big red metal thing here and they were all bulging out, I would have looked crazy. But you know what, if I'm sitting out on the bench without the mic attached, listening to my tunes in these, assuming it supports it, I think we'll be alright. So the only thing left is to try it out and see how it performs. Okay guys, that's it for now. We're going to try this thing out and see how it performs. I did lots and lots of research before I settled on this one. I didn't go for it just because I had the Turtle Beach name. I definitely don't do things like that. I am not a Turtle Beach fanboy. I was looking at the sensitivities, the frequency response range. I was looking at how well you can hear yourself speak when you're wearing them, and I can hear myself, but it's noise canceling, so it's bound to muffle you a little bit. But it's not as bad as having a pair of earbuds stuck in your ear, which, believe me, is worse. I like the flexibility of the mic, multiple positions, that sort of thing. Again, the simplicity of design, the customizability of it, and we'll see just how customizable this thing is. Like I said, we'll get into it. If y'all want to see that, let me know. I'm not quite sure how to adjust this thing yet. Maybe it's just me, but it's not very intuitive, and I don't want to mess it up. But it's a perfect fit right out of the box. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing review. Like I said, we didn't go into a whole lot of detail, but in my opinion, after doing all of the research, this is definitely the one that I found that I like the most for the PS4. And I know it's a PC gaming headset, but it does work for the PS4 as well. And if you go to your local store, Best Buy, Walmart, what have you, you won't find this in the PlayStation section. You have to go to the PC section and look for this particular one. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.